Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report Charts Proposals on Wednesday the 8th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Looking at cable now, and Brexit continues to be the main driver of cable. Lots of volatility in the last few days. Contrasting opinion polls have driven sterling first of all lower and then reacting strongly higher yesterday. Sterling has also found a little bit of support this morning. Just had out the industrial production data for the UK, and it is coming significantly stronger than expected. Expected to be minus 0.4% for the year, actually came in at plus 1.6%. So that's driven sterling sort of 30-40 ticks higher, and a big turnaround on the day. And you can, as you can see in the last hour, that move higher. So certainly that's provided a bit of support, and the outlook for sterling remains very choppy, doesn't it? And to be honest, if you take a step back, you're basically now trading in this range between sort of 43.30 up towards 47.70. I think much within that is becoming noise, really, isn't it? Look at all the moving averages which are converging and basically flat. The moving averages, sorry, the momentum indicators buzzing around sort of neutral configuration, really. RSI mildly above 50, but again, it's not really showing anything. The MACD line's almost bang on neutral. Stochastic's mildly higher, so there is a slightly positive bias, you would argue, and certainly that has been helped by this industrial production data for the UK today. But ultimately, I think this is going to be moving on Brexit polls, and that would mean that having quite a short time horizon on trading would probably be preferential, because once you get direction in one move, you could easily see that fully retraced, or even more so to the other way on the announcement of a contrasting poll. So you need to be aware of that and be careful. The hourly chart is equally as messy as the daily chart is. No trend whatsoever. Momentum indicators giving you no real indication of direction, and I think ultimately it's a pretty choppy and messy business at the moment, cable. But for now, with this industrial production data, we've seen a low posted at 45 figure, and it seems to be sort of pushing up, possibly back towards a retest of yesterday's sort of European session high. I would stress 46.07, and then above that is 46.43, which was the spike high in the Asian session. But at the moment, as I said, looking a little bit more positive, slightly positive bias, but then that could be equally turned around quite quickly by another Brexit poll. So be careful with your trading on cable because of this Brexit business, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.